To help us clean our gadgets and other personal belongings, local tech brand Ekotek recently launched the UV Plus Ultraviolet Light Sterilization Case. And as the name suggests, it is designed to kill viruses and germs on your devices. So, hi, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and let's unbox it. So this is the box of the device. As you can see here, it shows the design of the sterilization case, and at the back it says here that it is a case for your health. Oh, nice pun there. And it says here that this is the Ekotek UV Plus Ultraviolet Light Sterilization Case, and it kills virus and bacteria using fine-tuned UVC light. So with this, Ekotek said that you can sterilize your everyday items with a push of a button. So meron siyang button. And then Ekotek also added safety feature. So the UV Plus case will automatically shut off when you open it to prevent accidental UV exposure. So lightweight. It is also lightweight. It is also compact, and it is fashionable as well. So that's the claim of Ekotek, and it also shows here the specs. So it has 5 minutes sterilization time, so it needs 2 watts of power, and the working temperature for this device to work is at negative 10 degrees and 45 degrees Celsius. It's also quite large, actually. That is measuring at 175 by 93 by 38 millimeter, and it weighs at 200 grams. And there's also another text here that reads, UVC rays are harmful, so do not expose your eyes or skin directly to it. And fortunately, it comes with an automatic shut off when you open it, but of course they still added that precaution there. So without any further ado, let's open it. So it has a seal there, and it has another seal on the other side. So finally opened it, and let's check what's inside. There you go. Okay, so I will be removing the other side. So here we see the case itself. This is the sterilization case. Okay, this is neat looking. It feels premium. Yeah, I like this texture. This is like a denim jean-like texture. It looks nice, and I like the color. The color is, I think this is dark gray. It's nice. What else is inside the box? Okay, that's it. So we have to open this to see what else is inside. So here, you can see here the quick start guide on how to use the sterilization case. So number 1, plug the case in a USB-C cable. So USB-C siya. That means that it is using a reversible port. That is nice to know. And then place the object that you want to sterilize, and then press the power button. So the work indicator will turn red, and then sterilization will finish after 5 minutes, and the case will make a beep sound. And then there is also a work indicator light that will turn green if you can now open the case. So it also automatically turns off the case if you accidentally open it. So that is a nice feature, as mentioned earlier. So this is the other thing that we saw inside the box. It's a USB-C cable. Okay, yes, this is a reversible cable. So guys, that's it. This is a reversible cable, so I'll have to find where it is. So it is here at the back. So this is the Type-C. So it has an input port of 5 volts and 2 amps. And then, as mentioned earlier, it is reversible. This means that you can plug it any way you want, unlike previous micro USB ports where you have to find the right part of the pin before you plug it in. So, and then there's this power button here. And what else do we need to do? Let's try this thing. to try the case, I prepared the power bank with me, of course, and then I already plugged the USB-C cable. And then, but first I will be putting the gadget that I want to sterilize. Let's say this, and let's say that I also want to sterilize my smartwatch. So I can fit two small gadgets at the same time here. And I will also try if I can fit a smartphone. Yeah, you can fit a smartphone. Then you can try to fit this, and then try to fit this. So I think this supports even the bigger type of smartphones. It supports two smartphones at the same time, I believe. But let's just try it with a single smartphone first, and earphones, and then my watch. So next is just close it. You have to close the sterilization case because, again, warning, it's better be safe. And then plug it. Then after plugging it in, you will see that there is an LED green light here. And then let's press it. So now it will start the sterilization process. After 5 minutes, let's open this, and I will tell you guys if it will turn green again. So let's watch out for that. So while we are still sterilizing the gadget inside, Ekotek said that this UV light can help clean anything that fits inside the UV Plus case. So it includes smartphones, face masks, wristwatches, keys, and even money. And it is 6.8-inch long, 3.6-inch wide, and then 1.4-inch thick. And then the material that they use is a premium faux fiber, and the texture is, the color is gray. It is textured and the color is gray. So this is a must-have product for those who are constantly working outside, according to Ekotek. And they could be correct because it says here that they have made some lab tests. Sadly, we do not have a laboratory here to prove if it is correct. And they said there that it effectively kill 99.9% of bacteria within 5 minutes of action time. So if ever that is true, this can really help us have our gadgets sanitized. And so maybe this is the pandemic fighting product of Ekotek, because obviously we are still facing the coronavirus pandemic right now, and it will be better if we take extra precautions like this to sanitize our gadgets and make sure that they are clean. And aside from the gadgets, Ekotek said that you can also put your hair brushes here, maybe your money, your wallet, and other things, as long as it will fit inside the box. There you go. Finally, it turned green. I also heard the beep sound. So what Ekotek is saying is correct. And I assume that my things inside this case are now sanitized. So let's see it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that it has this nice type of foil-like structure. Maybe this one is used to prevent ultraviolet rays. So there's also a warning here that ultraviolet rays can burn your eyes and skin, so do not touch anything during the infection. But of course, they have safety precautions as mentioned earlier. Now I assume that my things are clean. Sadly, we do not have a laboratory here where we can see under the microscope if these gadgets are already super clean, but for now, I just have to believe what they are saying. And they're charging 2,499 pesos for this case, for this sterilization case. You can get it at the Electroworld. You may ask the Electroworld Facebook page for more information, or if you can avail this gadget, this sterilization case that could help you clean your sunglasses, smartwatches, watches, handkerchiefs, money, wallets, and maybe hair clips and other things, small things that will fit inside this case. And that's it, guys. thank you so much for watching. I hope that all of you will stay safe, and please watch out for our other features. Oh, by the way, if you pay in cash, this is priced at 2,299 pesos. So please like and subscribe. Again, take care and goodbye.